30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
Couple double ups right yet, so I like to see. Right up. To the right. Oh, good catch, good catch. Strip, 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 strip. Keep it up top so you can see. Alright, he's coming right at your back. Strip, 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 strip. Strip, 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 strip. Michael's up and out right through there. You got it. Pull in, pull in. Pull in. You got it.
Let's go, son.
Yeah, I can see what you're talking about, and I saw all four of those come. They're all coming right at it. Yeah, over here, dude. Look over here. Look, right on the bank. You got him, baby. To the right now. Nice. Strip, 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 strip. Strip. Yeah, yeah. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Ain't pissed. That's a quick 5. Got a few spots. There's one up here.
That guy was big.
See the I know, I was just about to say that. Looks nice. That's what I also like about the GoPro is you can just clip pictures out of it from your videos. This right here. I'm just gonna clip it. Or do you want it?
You can't get it out?
Oh.
You're bringing it to
Smell.
Oh shit. Dude, good thing I have safety or iPro on.
Choke it.
Look at that tail. Look at that tail. What a beaut. What a beaut. Hashtag keep 'em wet. I'll grab him. Hold on. Get out of there. Get away from him. Pretty boy.
Perfect. Go back in.
Here you go. Hook up, baby.
That was nice.
Dude, because he, like, on the first one, he, like, looked at it, was back. There were 2 of them moving. Yeah.
Pretty boy. Get him back in the water. Thanks, bro. Dude, what a sick guide you are, Grayson.
I love that, though, when you get, like, just, like, so stupid that, like, they're still right in front. You're just like, come on, just get it, like,
Well, dude, he actually turned as soon as I threw, and then as I reeled, he turned right back.
Right back to it. He's a pretty big boy.
nice.
It is a nice fish.
Yeah, that's nice. Wow, it's shallow.
Let's go.
There's a bunch of them out here.
Come. Nice fish, dude. That's a good video. Nice fish. That was sick, son. Had to work it.
Dude, he came up and got like, that was crazy. That was nice. Hungry little fella.
See him eat right by the boat is like
That thing
so
literally was,
cool
like,
too.
came out the water to get it.
That was tight. That was fucking tight.